Yes, let me now get back to the today's message. Listen, conscious elasticity. If you visualize you with all these 25 phases of Paramashiva, the different aspects of your life, your capacity to keep everything integrated to your consciousness is conscious elasticity. If you feel these 25 phases, heads of Paramashiva is on your head, the neck muscle actually keeps all the heads integrated to your body. Same way, the conscious elasticity is the neck muscle keeps all these 25 phases and paces of you, keeps integrated to your consciousness. Understand? All of us are doing these 25 activities. You are creating, maintaining, maybe in small scale, destroying, putting in delusion, pulling out of delusion, liberation. All of us are doing. See, when you give a consolation, a loving smile, or a simple loving hug to a friend, you are liberating that person from suffering. So every day, knowingly, unknowingly, all of us are doing all these 25 activities. If you are in chaos, disorganized, you suffer as bandha jiva, bound soul. If you become organized, understand these 25 phases of you is part of you and integrate them. By building a conscious elasticity, you become Paramashiva. Unclutching strengthens your conscious elasticity. Your ability to be a creator or rejuvenator or liberator or destroyer or deluder, all your dimensions will be in sync if you know how to be unclutched. By more and more unclutching, build conscious elasticity. That's the essence of today's satsang. In between, I spoke few Tamil words just to address some of the haters hating me and spreading the... See, they have suddenly started spreading, oh, beggar become president. Hey, I was never a beggar as you understand beggar. I am never a president as you understand president. Whether I was a beggar, whether you thought I was a beggar, that time also I was just servant of Paramashiva. Now you think I am president, but even now I am just servant of Paramashiva. That's all. I am clear about who I am. That time also I was wearing Rudraksha. Now also I am wearing Rudraksha. But that time you have your own idea. Oh, beggar wearing Rudraksha. Now you have your own idea. Oh, president wearing gold. But I see only Rudraksha. பிச்சசோரா இருந்தாலும் எச்சசோரா இருந்தாலும் தப்பில்லை, கொள்ளையடிக்கிற திருட்டு சோறா தான் இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஆண்டியா இருந்தாலும் தப்பில்லை, அரசனா இருந்தாலும் தப்பில்லை, லைஃப் ஆன்டியா தான் இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஆண்டியா இருந்தா கூட அரசன் ஆயிடலாம். அப்போ லைஃபுக்கு ஆன்டியா இருந்தா அரசனாக முடியாது. லைஃபுக்கு ஆன்டியா இருந்தா ஆண்டியா கூட இருக்க முடியாது. So I just responded to some of the haters and trolls. திராவிஷ் பாய்ஸ், நீங்கள் எல்லாம் நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். உங்களை எப்போவுமே பேர் சொல்லி டைரக்டாக உங்கள் யார் மேலேயும் அம்புலாம் போடவே மாட்டேன். அது என் பழக்கமே கிடையாது. இப்போ இந்த ரியாக்ஷன் கூட கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ஒரே ரீசன் என்னன்னா, நீங்கள் போடுற எல்லாத்தையும் பார்த்துட்டு சும்மா இருக்கேன், பார்க்காம சும்மா இருக்கேன்னு நினச்சிக்கிட்டாதீங்க. நான் இக்னரன்ஸ்னால ரியாக்ஷன் பண்ணாம இல்ல, தெளிவான அறிவுனால, இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ்னால ரியாக்ஷன் பண்ணாம இருக்கேன். நான் ரியாக்ஷன் இஸ் அ கான்ஷியஸ் டெசிஷன். So essence of today's satsang, build conscious elasticity through unclutching. Practice more and more unclutching and build conscious elasticity. Understand, you are doing all these actions: creation, sustenance, destruction, delusion, liberation in your life. You are creating every day. Even your muscles, your body, you are creating every day. And you are sustaining your life. And you are destroying even many parts of your body every day. And many things you are destroying in your life. You are pulling many things out of delusion. Many times you come to clarity within you. You give clarity to others. All these are pulling out of delusion. You are liberating yourself and many people many times in your life. If you liberate yourself from suffering, or if you help somebody to come out of suffering, that is liberation. Understand? Constantly, you are all doing this 25 job. Just know how to be organized and integrated by developing conscious elasticity. Like strong neck muscle of Paramashiva, which can hold 25 faces. Develop conscious elasticity which can hold these 25 faces of Paramashiva. Meditate for next 24 hours. You are Paramashiva with 25 heads, 75 eyes, 50 hands. With the conscious elasticity, Sahaja Samadhi. Completely integrating all of this to your consciousness. Let's meditate for next 24 hours on this principle. Do Vakyartha Sadas. Think through. Let's do everything on conscious elasticity. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva, Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham Om Nitya